Uniper is a strong partner in financing, planning and building of solar projects. But those projects are not at all easy. So what the chances are and the pitfalls, this is what we learn now. Hello, Garlin. Uniper is very experienced in the power and energy business. So what is your goal in renewable energy?
Yes, thank you, Heiko. Uniper indeed has a significant amount of generation capacity, and we have a deep experience in owning, operating and trading energy. However, for historic reasons, most of that capacity is based on conventional technologies. And since Uniper is fully committed to the energy transition with our strategy, we have a significant challenge ahead of us to turn our generation portfolio upside down in the next years.
Completely.
Within the limits of the reasonable, right?
Yeah, of course.
Our focus is solar and onshore wind. But also green flexible power generation and green gases such as hydrogen. In renewables, our target is to develop a gigawatt per year to ready-to-build status and 10 gigawatts until 2030.
So those projects are sometimes very complex. You mentioned solar and wind power. So do you already install batteries connected to the grid?
Yes, it's something we are deeply investigating. Uniper has a little pilot battery since many years, which at that time was groundbreaking. And we expect batteries to be on the rise significantly, right? From a technology point of view, those projects are not very challenging compared to what Uniper usually does. But it has other challenges because of the dynamic market, it's fast-moving, small projects, many stakeholders. So just because something is technologically easy doesn't mean it's easy to do in a successful way.
And in the market, which is very dynamic.
Absolutely. And it's important to consider the technology mix, right? Because in the end, we need electricity 24/7, full year. Yeah. So we need all of that. We need solar, we need wind, we need storage in all forms to achieve a carbon neutral sector and our goals.
Yeah. So what, with your experience as Uniper, long years of experience, what do you offer your partners in the solar project business?
We are active across the full value chain. Our end goal is to have projects generating power. But we start very early, so we are a reliable, long-term oriented partner to landowners, to project developers, to municipalities, to power off-takers. But also now we are at Intersolar. We try to be what we call an easy customer for manufacturers of equipment and EPC companies and generally our business partners.
Yeah. Which are the main or most interesting markets for you at the moment here in Europe?
Well, our home markets, Germany, UK, for sure. In addition to that, we are active in France, Italy, Hungary, Poland and Sweden. And let's say our success in the different markets varies to some extent, but all in all we are very confident and satisfied with the progress made so far.
To make international business, this needs a special kind of experience too.
Absolutely. The energy industry has always been international. There are a lot of geographic and geostrategic connections that are also going beyond Europe. Yeah. So it's very important to maintain this international collaboration also in a future world which is hopefully dominated by renewables.
To meet international customers, that's why you're here at the Intersolar.
A place to be.
I wish you much success here with your booth. And maybe we meet next year again.
Thank you, Heiko.
And if you want to know more about the offer of Uniper for its customers, please refer to the website.